With workflows conversion reporting, you can better understand the effectiveness and the impact of your workflows with the ability to view, aggregate conversion, and performance data directly on each workflow diagram. To access these features, simply navigate to Automations, then you go to Workflows, and here you just need any workflow that's on. So I will randomly pick this one. And here, all you got to do is go to View, then Aggregate Performance, and you have to toggle this on. It's important to note that workflow conversions and performance data will only include data from when on this option was turned on. So it will not include any retroactive data, which is why I can't show you any data over here in the demo right now. But in essence, it should look a lot like this diagram. Let me zoom it out a bit. Imagine you have a workflow set up to nurture leads through a series of emails. With this feature, you can now see the total enrollment count, the percentage of enrollments reaching to the endpoint, the paths chosen in branch actions, and even the count of unenrollments due to specific actions. These data points are visualized right on the workflow diagram, providing you with a clear, at-a-glance understanding of your workflow's performance. All Enterprise Hub users can join the beta by going to Product Updates. Let me show you quickly. So all you have to do is go to Product Updates, look for, not this one, Workflow Conversion Reporting, and join beta, as I already have. And that's it. Thank you for watching.